Here we go.
Strike! Look up! Look up! Keep going! Go, Daryl!
Dang! Why don't you keep going? Put your hands up!
He wrapped his arm around his hand.
Yeah, I saw that.
Stand up, guys! Stand up!
That was a terrible foul, though.
Ryan, right here!
Jeff, watch him, watch him.
Back it up! Good, Ryan!
Coach Mel, watch out!
Get up, boys!
Kirky, what? Kirky, watch it! I got the video camera.
You got it! Oh, yeah, stand up! Watch it! Ryan! Alright. There you go. David and Goliath. Come on. There you go. Be on him. David and Goliath. Hold him to it. Tell you, y'all gotta watch that midget. He can beat y'all.
Oh, yeah.
It's in the newspaper. Midget beat giant. T-U-R-P-L-E.
Oh, dang.
Yo, this guy! Yo, this guy!
He's serious. On the jumping shrimp.
He doesn't play. You ain't getting no throw. You ain't getting no throw.
That was down.